Transform your mornings and set yourself up for a day filled with positivity in less than 10 minutes with this powerful meditation technique. Before you even get out of bed in the morning, you can set your intentions for a great day. This morning meditation will guide you to focus on cultivating positivity. Thank you for joining me this morning. I'm Niveen Satari from a Healing Haven, Meditation Mystics. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to be a small part of your morning to help you have a great day. In today's meditation, we will focus on the power of positivity and how it can transform your mornings. By dedicating just a few minutes to this practice, you can set a positive tone for the rest of your day, helping you navigate through any challenges with grace and resilience. To begin, I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes and take a few long, slow breaths. As you focus on your breath, you can begin to notice the sensation as your breath comes in and out through your nose and makes a slow journey through your body. As you inhale, imagine you are breathing in peace, love, and positivity. As you exhale, imagine that you are releasing any stress, negativity, or tension. Allow your breath to relax you because it is sending a signal to your mind and body that you are safe and you are ready to have the best day. Notice the sensations of your body as you bring your awareness to your present moment experience. Become aware of the feeling of the support beneath you and any fabric touching your skin. Take a moment to fully appreciate the present moment and your physical body. Now bring to mind your intention for the day. What do you hope to accomplish today? How do you want to feel as you go about your day? As you continue to relax and breathe naturally, visualize yourself moving through your day with a positive attitude and an open mind. See yourself looking for the good in every situation and finding joy in the little things. Imagine yourself being grateful for the people, experiences, and opportunities that you encounter today. Remember that positivity is a choice. It takes practice and effort to cultivate, but the benefits are well worth it. A positive outlook can improve your physical and mental health, increase your resilience and ability to handle challenges. A positive outlook can bring more happiness and fulfillment into your life. As you continue to breathe and visualize, remind yourself that you have the power to choose positivity. You can choose to let go of negative thoughts and focus on the good. You can choose to be kind and compassionate toward yourself and others. You can choose to embrace the present moment and find gratitude in all that you have. Take another long, slow breath in and out. Do this again and begin to awaken your posture and build a little bit more energy to brighten your body and mind. Become aware of the sensations in your body once more, noticing how you are feeling after taking this time for yourself. And begin to let your attention move outside your body to your environment. Notice the sounds around you. Connect with the outside world while remaining in tune with yourself and your inner experience. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and step into your day with a positive and open mind. May your day be filled with joy, abundance, and all that you desire. Remember that the way you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. By practicing mindfulness and positivity in the morning, you can create a powerful ripple effect that impacts every aspect of your life. Embrace the power of gratitude. Cultivate a positive mindset and watch as your days become brighter and more fulfilling. I invite you to make morning meditation a daily ritual. Subscribe to our channel for more guided meditation sessions. Share your experiences in the comments below, and make a conscious effort to practice positivity throughout your day. Together, let's create a world filled with love, light, and limitless possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards mindfulness and positivity. Peace and blessings to you all.